Hello friends, this is Sagar Singh and you are watching Sagar Info Mode. So in this video, I will show you how to configure your MI Wi-Fi router for the first time and what are the best settings for your Wi-Fi to get the exact speed to your connected devices like a mobile laptops or PCs etc. Okay, and in this video, I will also show you the best settings for your Wi-Fi so that the every user can get the so that every user can get the speed correctly, and I will show you to block how to block the users which you don't want allow them to access your Wi-Fi net and speed limit for the connected device also. Okay, so keep watching this video. To access the mi Wi-Fi router admin page, you need to go to the this is link miwifi.com. As you can see here, miwifi.com. And one more things, this is the IP address 192.168.31.1. Okay, after that, uh, so for the first time configure the router, it is very easy guys. You need to connect your Wi-Fi router with the RJ45 or connect your Wi-Fi to your laptop without a Ethernet cable, means wirelessly, and turn on your Wi-Fi router and just click on Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi. Okay, show me. Then create your password for your Wi-Fi router, and then next step, enter the email ID and password which is provided by your internet service provider, say example ACFAPNet. Okay, and after successfully configure, you need to enter your admin password here. Just cut it. Okay, so this is a dashboard or interface of your mi Wi-Fi router. As you can see, mi Wi-Fi. Okay, so these are the connected devices: Vivo, Android, J7. These are the connected devices. So in my Wi-Fi there are total 8 devices are connected. So this is just the status of your Wi-Fi. Here click on the devices. Okay, so these are the connected devices as we can see previously, and here you can see the IP addresses or MAC addresses of the mobiles devices which are connected to your Wi-Fi network. A20, MI, Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay, so clear here. So now click on to the settings. Okay, in setting, keep it enable. This is the name of your Wi-Fi. You can change your Wi-Fi name here also just by entering any Wi-Fi name and press save here after that. Okay, and keep encryption setting is mixed WPA to personal. Okay, don't keep others. And your wireless channel, these are the channels of your Wi-Fi, keep it on 13 and click on save. And the bandwidth is keep on 40 meters. Don't keep to auto, keep 40 meters. Then you will then the Wi-Fi range also increase. Okay, keep this on wall penetration mode. These are for guest Wi-Fi, don't see about it. Okay, and the uh, network setting, this is a mi account. You can use this the same thing in your mobile also. Okay, don't see here anything. Okay, in the security panel you can change the admin, where it is. Okay, you can change the admin password also. Enter the previous password, then confirm your password. And this is a line setting. This is a line setting: DHCP server. This is the port number. This is a starting IP address and it is a ending IP address and at least 720. And this is your line IP address, your Wi-Fi IP address. And the status is just status your Wi-Fi. Okay, just speed and time zone set to India. Now in the advance, this is your internet speed. You can test again to check your internet speed. I have 25 Mbps of internet speed, but you don't get exact. Okay, keep this QoS allocation. This setting is for setting speed limit to the devices which is connected to your Wi-Fi. Keep this on. If it is off, keep this on, and this is should be on auto mode. If you set this on game first, then the priority of your Wi-Fi speed is first given to a game. So don't keep auto mode. These are the connected devices. These are the IP addresses. These are the MAC addresses. So that's it, friend. Again, click on status. If you having any problem or troubling with your Wi-Fi, just click on reboot. Then your Wi-Fi will be reboot, and you will all the settings will be restored back. If any updates occur, click on updates. So that's it, friend. Please do like, watch, subscribe, and share with your friends. Okay.